Hello and welcome to another update video about Loopring. So for Loopring, I also still expect another lower low. Unfortunately, so there is at least at the moment not yet enough bullish sentiment in the chart that we could talk about something different. Overall, also here Loopring, its second 1-2 setup. We had a wave 1 here, a wave 2 down. This is another wave 1 and a wave 2 down. And the next wave, we would hopefully expect a wave 3, which would be preferable compared to a wave 1, because a wave 3 would take us to new all-time highs. And we can even, I guess, calculate here the target areas for a potential new wave 3. And that would take us all the way up to $6.65 as a minimum, which is the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. So that looks quite good. Overall, what can we see here for Loopring? Yeah, Loopring also obviously made its wave 1 here and then came down in a WXY corrective pattern. We are currently in that last wave, the wave Y. Within the wave Y, you have also here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically what we're looking at here is a 5-wave move. So we had a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would complete here the wave Y, and that would complete the overall wave 2. That's still how I see this. This will or would change if we make decisive or create decisive price action above the 83 or 84 cent level. So first of all, this is for a wave 4 here, the invalidation point, because we would cross into the price 1 target area. So based on that, we would invalidate the downtrend. That would mean that we can expect here to move higher. Second point, it would be above the 78.6% Fib level, and I would be personally happy with that, even if we don't make a lower low, because this is the target area where you expect a turnaround for this cryptocurrency in a wave 2 with the highest likelihood. So it could go up at any point. I'm just telling you, we don't yet see enough bullish signals for that. So for me at the moment, this is a mainly bearish Elliott wave count. That is what I would expect. There is also a bullish wave count, and we get to that in a minute as well. But for me at the moment, there is enough, or there is just only evidence that we are going down lower. So at the moment, yeah, similar to other cryptocurrencies, the way I would see this from an Elliott wave point of view is also here that we are in a triangle. Since we hit the low on the 12th of May here at 31 cents, we moved up in a wave A, moved down in a wave B, moved up in a wave C, moved down in a wave D, and A, B, C, D, and moved up in a wave E. Yeah, and this is what we currently see, that we then probably already started the move down. This is what we're looking here at the moment, that we possibly already started this last impulsive move down in a wave 1, a wave 2 to the upside, wave 3 down would be the next one, wave 4 up, wave 5 down. That is certainly a possible scenario. It is currently not confirmed yet. While we broke below the wave D low, that is absolutely fine. We moved below 49 cents. We did not yet break below the wave B, so we did not invalidate this triangle, and we did not move below 46.3 cents, which is that wave B low. This is what we would need to do to, yeah, invalidate this overall triangle really. Yeah, so until then, the triangle breakout is not yet confirmed, and there is still a likelihood that this here could be the wave D, and we would then see the wave E to the upside here. Until we break below the wave B, that is still possible, and a move above the wave C, which is here at 50, well, pretty much 60 cents. So a move above 60 cents would invalidate the triangle to the upside. Then we need to look at something different. So already a move above 60 cents can lead to further upside potential, in my opinion, all the way up to 84 cents. And a move to the downside would confirm my primary expectation, which would mean that we go below that wave below, and then also will move lower in a 5th wave. that is what we can currently see. I don't see at the moment that the low is in already. You can count this in a bullish way. Yes, we could. I'm not a friend of it, but especially because this comes across very, very much three-wave-like. And to be honest, if I look at that, I would have problems counting this in a bullish way. You would then have to count this here as a wave 1, this as a wave 2, which can come down a bit lower, then a wave 3 to the upside, 4 down and 5 up. So basically that is what we would be looking at then. Yes, this can be a wave 2, absolutely. This is possible to count it like that. This as a wave 1, you can count it like that, yeah. Within this wave 1, you can have certainly here a wave 1, 2. I'd have so many problems counting this, honestly. It would 3, then we would have a wave 4 here and the wave 5 up. But I'm absolutely not a friend of that. And because this is not a clean impulse to the upside, I mean, maybe as a diagonal, but yeah, it doesn't look very 5-wave-like. This actually looks like a 3-wave structure, which would mean it will be followed by a 5-wave move, in this case, to the downside. So this is currently still how I see Loopring. Yeah, and yeah, I told you which levels we need to get below to continue the downtrend. I mean, today we already saw here breakout of the triangle itself, but no invalidation of the triangle. As per the Elliott wave rules, that still needs to happen. And in my opinion, only really if we break out of the target area to the upside, we can really say with more confidence that the low was in. However, bear in mind, this target area is the area with the highest likelihood where we should see a turnaround generally for any cryptocurrency in a wave 2. And this is certainly still the absolute possibility that we have here, that we turn around here at any time. So even if we don't make that lower low, yeah, I'd be happy. Yeah, because then the scenario here from the higher level wave count was fulfilled, because what we are waiting for is that in this target area between the 88.7% FIB level and the 78.6, this is where you would expect a turnaround. Now, to do that, a few things need to happen, and I told you that, and currently we have no evidence for that. As soon as I see anything in the chart that would make it quite likely that the uptrend is starting, I will of course make you aware. And if you subscribe to the channel, you of course won't miss any video. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.